Just introduce yourself and how did you find us and what was the goal or why did you approach us?
Me? I don't know. नहीं मजाक कर रही हूँ.
That's okay.
How
Hmm.
did you? My husband found you guys basically.
I
तो
think he found
चलो.
us online or I think on Google or someplace, right?
अच्छा, ओके, तो ठीक है.
I
I'll
think
mention
so.
that. मुझे नहीं मालूम. He just said this कि this is she's a very good dietitian and बहुत अच्छी हैं and let's start the program with her. So I was like अच्छा ठीक है कर लो.
Oh, great.
Then तो चल खैर ओके I'll introduce myself. प्रोफेशन भी
हाँ,
बताना है क्या?
whatever you like. बताओ बताओ बिल्कुल बताओ.
अच्छा प्रोफेशनल पर्सनल दोनों बनाना है क्या? मतलब कितनी
Whatever
इन्फॉर्मेशन
whatever
देनी?
you like, whatever you would like to share.
नहीं ये शेयर कहाँ करोगे आप? उसके अकॉर्डिंग बता देती हूँ.
जहाँ बोलोगे. If you want me to share it on social media, I'll share it on social media. If you say I don't want you to share it on social media, I will not share it on social media.
अच्छा ओके ओके ठीक है तो मैं ऐसे ही डाल देती हूँ.
Hmm.
हाय माय नेम इज रिनी शर्मा जैन एंड आई एम एन इंजीनियर कम एजुकेशनिस्ट एंड I am when I got pregnant, so I had to start with a diet program as my doctor has recommended to go for a good nutritious diet. So my husband he found out about Avni through, of course, Google. Mr. Google recommended Avni very highly. She came recommended with very good reviews and all. And then we went ahead with her. And then my first interaction was really, really good. And I was very positive that yes, the whole journey will be taken care of, not only during the pregnancy, but it will continue even after the delivery and all. And throughout, currently, I'm in my 33rd week. And till now, Avni and the whole team has been very supportive. And I think so. I used to think that response आएगा नहीं आएगा, but they are very responsive and you just have to message them. They are just a message away on WhatsApp, and even the availability on call is there. I mean, whenever I have called, it never went unanswered. Though other way around, it could not happen many a times, but yes. And I faced many health issues owing to the different medications that are given during pregnancy and hormonal changes. But every time I got the support from Avni's end, and the diet really helped me a lot with my issues of acidity and nausea. The good thing about it is that mostly the focus is on the natural remedies. That how can we make things better in the most natural way possible. Apart from that, the information that they provide you in the different phases of your pregnancy, that okay, in these weeks this would happen, you can expect this, we can do like this, we can go ahead like this. So those things were really really helpful and still helpful. And because, and you have many stupid doubts and sometimes you don't know where to go, whom to ask. But this was made sure by Avni that okay, you can come to her and you can ask anything that you want, any random thing which you feel like, oh, it is such a stupid question, but no, you'll get an answer. And she's very very patient with her patients. So yes. And I mean, she'll tell you her experiences as well. She'll guide you in all the aspects, and a very positive person. She never says no to anything. At least to me, she has never said no till now. So that is there. And yes, and if there is a poll going on, then I'll give her my vote.
Thank you, thank you. And did you enjoy your antenatal classes? Like, have you like did you learn through those
Oh,
classes?
of course. I remember the first session that you conducted in the antenatal classes. It was very, very informative because there are many things that I did not know about, that how to move ahead, how things are done. And first time mother, she is always concerned about so many issues, small, small things. But the classes that you conducted, the way you explained about lactation, the way, how to go for different, different things, how to feel comfortable, it is really very very helpful for me, for a person like me who has zero knowledge about anything.
That's
And who
okay.
is also very alsy to do these things on her own, reading articles and all. So those workshops, those classes are really helpful to me.
I'm glad. I'm glad. And I'm hoping that the future classes will also help you, in
Yeah,
like
I'm
coping with the postpartum care and, what to expect. Like we are also going to be having sessions on like what to expect when your baby is going to arrive. Like so small, small things. For example, there's something called as baby acne. So a
oh
lot of people don't know, and people obviously like,
hmm,
it's panicky, like why has my child suddenly developed acne? But it's a
okay,
very normal thing, it's a very common thing, and nothing to panic about. And there's something called as a baby rash. So some children,
okay,
like as soon as they're born, within 2 or 3 days, like they develop like a red rash. And you're like,
oh
what did I do wrong? Like, did I put him, the wrong clothes? Was he feeling hot? What was it? But it's a very common thing again. It's like a baby rash. So
okay,
these kind of things, or like the genitals are going to be slightly swollen. That is,
oh
a lot of people worry, like, oh, like what has happened? Like, especially with girls or boys, like, I mean, with girls mostly, like, that, oh, why is it
oh
swollen? But it's again normal. And with girl babies, sometimes there could be a bleed also. So now
oh
people are like, oh, why is there a bleed? But it's again very normal. Like sometimes there is a slight bleed, it's like once, and like the
hmm.
baby, slight bleed, and there's nothing to worry about.
Okay, okay.
So
You are
if
there to guide, so I'm not
yeah,
worried.
yeah. So that kind of information, if you have it, like, oh,
It's
because
normal.
yeah, maybe
Huh.
people who are around you, maybe someone very close to you has also had a baby, but they may forget to tell you this. Like, oh, they may
Okay.
have had something similar, or something like how to take care of the umbilical cord. Like how, when does
Hmm.
it drop off? How to keep it dry? Is it supposed to be kept dry, or can the water go on it? These small questions will come up.
Okay. Got
Classes
it.
will take care of that. That okay, how, and again, how to prepare formula. Like if someone wants to formula feed, or they're having some issues with the feeding, you,
Hmm.
you feel formula, but how much to prepare, how long can it stay outside, how long, within how much time shall the child be fed, how to store breast milk in the fridge, in the freezer, like those kinds of things.
Okay. Okay. Got it. So you are
Oh,
there. I don't have any problem.
perfect, perfect, perfect. And
I guess
last
everything will be looked after.
last and just tell us like 3 reasons why you would recommend us to anyone.
Okay. First of all, because of the you and your whole team, the response time for any of your doubts and anything is very quick. I mean, everyone is very forthcoming and very welcoming. So that is one thing that uh, because I have had tried one or two dietitians for different reasons, not for pregnancy previously as well. So of course, response time was an issue. So this is the first thing that I love about you, because this is such a timing when you need a person to be there, and you guys are there. So first is that. Secondly, the positive attitude that the whole team has. If the leader has it, then of course the team also. So that is there. And it is not a thing that if I'm asking you something, or the assigned person, concerned person, and they are not there, it has never happened with me. I mean, there is always a solution that is readily available, and the positive environment that you give, secondly. So for that. And third, of course, the extra perks that are included, like there are antenatal classes. You get the knowledge of so many things, which when we started, I didn't expect it, that okay, this will be provided, but it was there. And the friendliness that is there, you don't feel like there is a professional relationship only. uh,
Yeah,
yeah,
I agree.
it
Yeah,
eventually.
I would like it to be like a very friendly relationship, like where you should feel
Yeah,
comfortable in asking your questions and not feel embarrassed, like, oh, like, shall I ask
yeah,
this?
you
And
can.
no question is a stupid question. As a mother, especially a first time mother, you
Hmm.
have so many thoughts going on in your mind, like
Yeah.
what happened, like, shall I be eating this? Shall I not be eating that? Like you have those kinds of thoughts, like,
Hmm.
shall I
True.
be doing this? Like, am I doing the right thing for my kid? And again, postpartum again,
Yeah. So
you end up
that is the.
having, yeah. So I will prepare you with a little bit of confidence that, you go into the whole journey with a lot more control, confidence, information, basically.
Yes, that is true. I mean, my three reasons would be these only: that number one, the availability; number two, the positivity of the whole team; and number three, the confidence that you feel after interacting with you. So, and the friendliness that is there. So that sets you apart.
Thank you. Thank you so much. In fact, today I sent this. the checklist, the hospital bag checklist to one of the pregnant ladies.
हाँ.
She messaged, she said, do I need 8 diapers a day? And I said, yes, you need 8 diapers a day. She said, starting mein? I said, exactly, you need, because initially the child will be pooping a lot, like the
हाँ.
meconium, which is like the first poop which comes, they will need like 8 diapers. And she's like, oh my God, like, thank you so much for letting me know this.
I was giving your gyan to other people. I told one of my friends, she's also expecting, she's due in April though. मैंने तुझे पता है 8 डाइपर लगेंगे एक दिन में.
Yeah, like,
She said, how do you know? मैंने that my dietitian told me. When
yeah,
I
so
did
like
not know.
small things, like you think, okay, one diaper bag. Now,
हाँ.
one diaper bag could, let's say, if it could be a small diaper bag and it could just
हम्म.
maybe have 25, 30. Let's
हम्म.
assume. Now,
हम्म.
who knows? You could be in the hospital for 4 days, 5 days, you know.
हम्म.
You can't tell, right? Or you may carry like a smallish packet that, okay, it has 15 and it should be enough, but you never know like
हम्म.
how long you'll be in the hospital, right? Of course,
Yeah.
you just get it. I mean, the shops are not going to be closed. Someone can get it, but like, why to have that
It's
situation where you
better
don't
to
have
be
it?
prepared. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nee, that is true. So accordingly only I packed. I got so many diapers. I need everything double already. So
Yeah. So if suppose you are having twins, so
Hmm.
eight, you'll need like, 16,
16 to 20, yeah, I know. So
20 aram se. Yeah, yeah, yeah. And see, what I also told her was that also take into account that there will be some accidents as well, right? I mean, what if you're changing the diaper, the child peed on the
Hmm.
new diaper, or on the clothes, so you also need extra pair of clothes because you're also like doing it for the first time, so
True.
things accidents will happen, so it's okay.
It's okay. Yeah, that I know. Yeah. So yes, so you helped me in preparations also. Still
Perfect.
helping me in preparations.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Done.
Thank
I'll
you.
definitely help you, and be in touch with me even postpartum for lactation and all अगर कुछ concern है.
Oh, I
uh,
am not leaving you अभी कहाँ
हाँ
से?
हाँ अभी तो बिल्कुल नहीं, because फुर्सत नहीं मिलती है. Basically the problem is the timing, like you don't get the let's say, the time to talk to me, so you can always message. In that case, the WhatsApp
Okay.
group
हाँ,
is always there, right? And if there
definitely.
is something which I feel is okay, you need to get it checked by a doctor or something like that, then that's there.
Hmm. हाँ, that I'll do. इसलिए वो तो है ही. See, I keep on asking you small things. जैसे वो coconut milk वाला मुझे I saw it
हाँ.
somewhere, so I
Coconut
thought,
milk is healthy, so it's a medium chain triglyceride. So,
अच्छा.
good healthy fat you can include it in the diet, but I would
Okay.
still suggest take your regular paneer, dahi, raita, buttermilk,
हाँ.
those kinds, because आपके calcium requirements and protein requirements will be met. Coconut
Okay.
milk is going to be a healthy fat.
Fat. अच्छा, okay.
So
Only
that's
fat.
why I told you, okay, once in a while you can take it, but if
Okay.
you're really trying to find a good replacement for milk,
Hmm.
milk is very superior. Like the cow's milk is a superior,
But I'm having acidity वाला problem with
no
that.
problem. So
तो
milk
इसलिए
in,
तो-
हाँ, so milk का replacement हम milk product से कर सकते हैं.
Okay. Okay.
Something
Fine.
like cheese cube, like cheese slice ले लिया.
चीज स्लाइस कौन सा? ये ब्रिटानिया वाला?
कोई भी अमूल का, ब्रिटानिया का चीज स्लाइस खा लिया.
इज इट हेल्दी?
एब्सोल्युटली, चीज में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. इट्स गुड प्रोटीन, इट्स गुड हेल्दी फैट, गुड
तो
क्वालिटी.
शुरू से क्यों नहीं बताया? मैं सैंडविच में डलवा के खा लेती.
हाँ हाँ, डालो डालो, अब डालो, डेफिनेटली डालो.
हाँ जी, अभी ऑर्डर ब्लिंकिट करती हूँ.
Done. हाँ हाँ. So as a snack, it's a very healthy snack.
हम्म.
Just like a cheese cube or like a cheese slice, cheese spread
हाँ.
लगा लिया, खाओ, आराम से खाओ.
हाँ, ठीक है. गॉट इट. आई विल ईट.
चलो ठीक है,
आज
ब्लिंकेट
करती
लो.
हूँ. ठीक है.
Done.
यू सी द रिपोर्ट्स आल्सो, है ना? और
प्लीज,
डाइट
हाँ, मैं
प्लान.
अभी I'll go through your
हाँ.
reports and
हाँ.
बाकी you let me know about your appointment with the doctor tomorrow, right? आप कल मिलने जा रहे हो.
मैं वैभव से बोलूंगी अभी मतलब मुझे पता नहीं डॉक्टर ने क्या बोला. ही जस्ट केम ओनली ना व्हेन आई गेव हिम द फोन. तो इसलिए
Okay.
वो कब बुला रहे हैं क्या है, इसलिए वो प्लान भी करना रहेगा ना. व्हेन इज शी थिंकिंग अबाउट डूइंग दिस.
हाँ, डन 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 डन.
ठीक है. तो इफ
ठीक
आई
है.
गो आई कीप यू अपडेटेड, है ना. और मेरा
Perfect.
ब्लड टेस्ट भी हुए थे. उसकी रिपोर्ट तो मैंने पहले शेयर कर दी थी शायद, तो वो भी देख
हाँ,
लेना.
वो मेरे पास होगी, मैं आपको एक बार देख लूंगी, ठीक है.
हाँ. और मेरा थायराइड का भी डोसेज चेंज किया है उन्होंने, बिकॉज इट केम आउट टू बी 3.99. तो उसको चेंज करके उन्होंने 100 mcg कर दिया. पहले इट वाज 62, पहले इट वाज 75. तो फिर अब 100 mcg हो गया है वो. तो दैट इज
नो
द ओनली थिंग. हाँ, जो मेडिकेशन में और अपडेशन किया है. ठीक.
ठीक है, डन. Done. Done.
ठीक है.
Okay
Done.
then. Take care.
Okay.
Bye bye. Thank you so
Yeah.
much. Bye bye.
You
Take
too.
care of yourself. Bye bye.
Okay. I wish Neil speedy recovery.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye
Okay.
bye.
Bye.